Hi everyone, I have a super fun recipe to share with you today. It's my cheesy turkey burger noodles. It's like a cheeseburger and noodles got together in a skillet and got smothered with cheese. It's so much fun, so delicious, all your favorites in both categories together in one dish, and it couldn't be easier to make. So I'm gonna show you how to do it with a handful of ingredients. Already in this skillet I have, and by the way, I'm gonna use my oven-proof skillet so I can go right from the cooktop to the oven. You can also do this in a casserole dish. So I have a pound of lean ground turkey that I just browned over medium-high heat with a few tablespoons of steak seasoning. Use your favorite. I used a Montreal steak seasoning because that way it's gonna really taste like a juicy burger from the grill. So that's right here, beautifully cooked lean turkey with the steak seasoning. 2 ingredients right there. Then I'm gonna add a can, which is 15 ounces of tomato sauce. You can use 2 cups if you're using one of those cartons. So we're gonna use 2 cups of tomato sauce. So we get that tomato flavor that you love in cheeseburgers, but of course, for more tomato flavor, I have a cup of ketchup that's going in. Yum. We're building a burger. You can do this with ground beef also. You don't have to use ground turkey, but I like to do it because this one's gonna be kind of a lighter dish. And then a cup of chicken broth. If you are gonna use ground beef, use beef broth. Okay, and then a tablespoon of mustard. So you can use yellow mustard, you can use country style. I'm gonna use Dijon because that's what we like on our burgers. So a tablespoon of Dijon right in there. Okay, so I'm just gonna get this blended until the mixture is put together here. Okay, it's blended. You can see all the ingredients. It already smells like a burger to me. So now I'm going to fold in the noodle part of these turkey burger noodles. This is 3 cups of cooked. I did the dumpling size egg noodles, but these are the no yolk ones with no egg yolks. You can use any kind of egg noodles you want, or even just pasta. You could use any pasta you want. So 3 cups is about 6 ounces, and that's going to be perfect. It's going to kind of overflow my pan here, but that's fine. I think it looks better when you have like a full pan versus a half empty one. So gently gonna stir this with, just kind of fold it in with a cup of cheddar cheese. 1 cup goes in and 1 cup goes on top. And I like to use sharp cheddar cheese for that robust flavor. You can certainly use mild, or if you like American cheese on your burgers, you can use American cheese or Swiss, any cheese that you want, whatever you would put on your burger. So I'll blend this together until it's nice and mixed. It's beautifully blended. The noodles are now covered in that luxurious sauce of ketchup and tomato sauce. I can smell the little bit of Dijon in there, and also the grill seasoning, the Grill Mates steak seasoning. It smells so good. So now I'm just gonna cover this entire thing with that extra cup of cheddar cheese. And don't forget, you can use any cheese you want. Use what you already have. Okay, so I'm gonna cover this with foil. It goes into the oven for just 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna take the foil off and go for 5 more minutes until the cheese melts, and then it's ready to serve. Fast, easy, and so delicious. I'll show you what it looks like. There it is, ready to serve. I like to top it with green onions, relish, chopped tomatoes. So good. This is one of our favorite dishes in my house, so I know you're gonna love it. Plus, with all the different topping variations, you can have so much fun. Get everybody involved, have a good time. I hope you try it. Let me know if you do, and if you have any suggestions for recipes that you wanna see me make, let me know. I'd be happy to do it, and I will see you next time.